Is your car suddenly feeling sluggish, or maybe it is refusing to shift out of second or third gear like it is in some kind of protective limp mode? You might be dealing with the P0876 trouble code, which points directly to the transmission fluid pressure sensor, or switch D, having a circuit range or performance issue. Relies on this sensor to know exactly what is going on with the hydraulic pressure inside your transmission so it can shift gears smoothly and at the right time. When this sensor starts sending signals that do not make sense, or what we call a rationality error, the computer gets confused and often locks the transmission into a safe gear to prevent damage. This sensor is usually tucked away inside the transmission attached to the valve body, though on some cars you might get lucky and find it screwed into the side of the case. Before you panic about needing a transmission rebuild, realize that this is often an electrical gremlin rather than a mechanical failure. The first thing I want you to do is check for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, because this is a known issue on many Dodge, Jeep, and GM vehicles. And there might be a factory fix waiting for you. If there are no bulletins, we need to get dirty, locate that sensor connector, and unplug it. You are looking for corrosion, that nasty green stuff, or maybe wires that have rubbed through against the metal casing. This is huge because external connections are where most of these faults happen. If the wires look good, grab some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush. Clean those terminals out and put a little dielectric grease on them before snapping it back together. If the code comes back after clearing it, you will need a digital voltmeter. With the key on but the engine off, you should see either 5 volts or 12 volts at the connector, depending on your manual. If you have voltage, switch to ohms and check the sensor resistance while wiggling the connector. If the numbers jump around or are out of spec, the sensor is toast and needs replacing. Remember, do not overlook the wiring, as a simple rubbed wire can mimic a failed sensor perfectly.